At first glance, this is a beautiful grove of trees, but if you can see, the ones with the pointy leaves, there's some that go right on up in there, next to the hackberries that grow here, and they're really growing along the bridge here. They're called Tree of Heaven. Anethus tree is the official name, and they propagate very quickly and spread, and they're becoming a real concern in Bellevue, but they really are spreading. You can see them here in our yard. There's been a lot of seeds dropped in our yard, and we've got some junior trees here that we need to get up, but we've also got little tiny ones all over. So a whole bunch of seeds have dropped in our yard. And you can just see these little pointy leaf things. They're just everywhere. They're taking over our yard. And you can imagine now what the forest floor looks like if this has happened in our fertilized yard. They obviously grow like grass. But they don't stay small for long. They, sprout up into major trees. And here's a grove that's right off our fence line that's probably the culprit here, blowing those in. There's a whole bunch of them right here, and they've hopped the fence line. We got a couple of trees growing along the fence line. So this is a real concern for our forest. If you look off into it, you can just see them surrounding, all the normal trees. And so they're going to really take the nutrients and sort of push those out. There's a really big specimen right there, growing right next to the bur oak that we planted a couple Arbor Days ago. There's a guy growing right there. So hoping that we can do something about this so that these things don't take over the forest, which they are doing right now.